our first day and I thought of making a video just to tell you how to approach the workout. And for some of you it's first time you're doing a challenge with me. We're going to start with very basics. We are going to do Surya Namaskars tomorrow, and we are also going to do in Pranayam, Bhastrika Pranayam, and two simple but very effective asanas, that is Shalabhasan and Viparit Shalabhasan. So all that information you'll get it in the video. So clear instructions about asanas are given in the main video. It will be easy for you to follow even if you are a beginner. This is just to tell you how you can do it intense and how you can get maximum out of it. Beginners, for tomorrow you can do six rounds, that is good enough, and those who have been practicing can do 12. If you want to go beyond that, I would suggest don't go beyond that, because it's just first day. We want to transform ourselves over 40 days, not in just one day. So take it slow, but it will be more intense as you put effort in each and every posture. So we are doing 30 minutes video, but we want to get that feeling as if we have done a 1 hour long workout, and that's what I aim in my every asana session or every workout session. So for that you have to give, again I'm saying this, I know you have to give your 100%, but just see how I'm doing this posture and what's the difference between doing it lightly, casually, and doing it pushing all your limit. So simple form, just simple form. When you're standing, when you're doing first step of Surya Namaskar, you take your hands up, feet are together, take your hands up. So if you're here, I want you to push little more, lift your chest up completely, hands are straight, pull your belly in, arch your back and stay there. So wherever you reach, little more, 1% more than that. That's when the effort will come in, and then you'll start sweating, heart rate will go up, and the posture will be perfect. So you go like this, you extend. You have to lift your rib cage. Lift your rib cage up, come up. When you come for second step, go down completely. Now some of you, hamstrings won't be that open, so maybe you're just here, or maybe you have a big tummy, that's why you're not able to go down. Doesn't matter, stay there, but with every exhalation, push yourself a little more down. Push. Those who can go down completely will take their head as close as possible. Press. So you understand, right? Each and every step you have to go 1% beyond what you can do with your actual capacity. That's when you'll start feeling it. All the instructions are there in the video, but just keep that awareness that am I doing my 100%? Am I pushing myself over the edge? And when you do it in this manner, I'm sure within 12 rounds, within 5-6 rounds, you'll start sweating and you'll get the most benefits out of it. Also the pranayam, make sure you're doing it properly. Do it with everything that you have got, but don't take it too seriously. Am I doing this right? Is this posture right? Just listen to the instructions, keep a smile on your face and keep going. Sleep well, have a good rest, and I'll see you for tomorrow's workout.